Hi, my name is Minnie. I'm going to read to you this poem called O USA. Oh, USA, can you see? Your head held high through the sunlight. Your feet rooted deep within the soil of our history. You fly freely, weaving through the sky, needing no parachute. Leaving behind the traces of your red, white, and blue onto the faces of those young and old. Oh, say, can you see? We celebrate 248 years since we adopted thee. Of freedom that was freely given to us. Through our forefathers' vision, sweat, bloodshed, courage, bravery, that vision was bestowed upon you and me. We celebrate 248 years of freedom, not bought or stolen, but freely given unto us. Oh, say, can you see? 200 years later, can you see where our freedom has led us to be? 200 years later, we celebrate freedom, but are we truly free? The Declaration of Independence separated us from a tyrannical government. It declared that all men are created equal, with unalienable rights of life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. 200 years later, oh, USA, you have become the tyranny over this state. An exact replica of the British colony from which you so sought utterly to separate. Oh, USA, you passed laws to aid those overseas, but you turned a deaf ear to the outcry of your people drowning in minimum wage, high gas prices, and inflation. A cry so loud it is heard across the 7 seas. Oh, USA, you are free indeed. You institutionalize a system with high prices, pushing students through with degrees. But these decrees only symbolize the shackles of student loan debt owed to thee. You created a system so your people are indebted to you, and yet you sing, let freedom ring. Oh, USA, you are free indeed. You subject your people to high taxes, inflated prices of goods, and an open market economy that only enriches the 1%. An economy so saturated that the old cannot retire and the young cannot work. Oh, USA, 248 years later we celebrate thee. Can't you see where that freedom has led us to be? 200 years later, is this where you hope to be? Oh, USA, can't you see the youth are no longer interested in thee? The youth no longer embrace your history, nor hold onto the freedom that birthed thee. Oh, USA, this day we salute thee. 248 years is a long reign indeed. So we join in celebration of you, our U.S. history, old and new. But remember, your people are crying to be free. Oh, USA, for freedom only you can give. Thank you.